Welcome to Airside Tips. If you've ever traveled with kids, you know it can be both a magical and a messy experience. Long lines, delayed flights, and tight airplane seats aren't exactly a kid's idea of fun. But summer vacations are all about creating joyful memories. And with the right preparation, those moments can begin before you even reach your destination. Today, we're diving into the ultimate parent-approved, kid-tested playbook to keep children entertained, engaged, and relaxed at the airport and on the flight. We'll walk through simple strategies, packing ideas, and creative games that turn travel time into quality family time. Picture this. You're at the gate. Your flight is delayed. Your kids are restless. You scramble through your bag for anything, a snack, a toy, your phone. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we've all been there, and this video is for you. We'll share proven hacks, fun activities, and smart packing tips to help you glide through airports and flights with confidence. If you want to travel smarter and stress less, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Airside Tips family and let's make this your smoothest summer vacation yet. 1. Preparation is everything. A stress-free trip begins long before you leave the house. One of the best ways to keep kids calm is to get them involved in the planning. Let them help pack their own travel bag. Give them a small backpack filled with their favorite items. Think coloring books, plush toys, activity pads, and even a comfort item from home. Create a travel checklist together. Not only does this help you stay organized, but it also gives your child something to look forward to. Make the checklist a game or ritual, something they can help update each time you travel. Don't forget your entertainment essentials. Coloring books and crayons, mess-free and quiet. Puzzle or activity books, a favorite stuffed animal or doll, headphones and a preloaded tablet, healthy, slow-to-eat snacks, a travel game or card deck, a surprise new toy for novelty and distraction. If your child is a bit older, get them involved in researching the destination. Let them look up fun facts, activities, or even a few words in the local language. This builds anticipation and gives them a sense of ownership over the trip. 2. Airport entertainment, making the wait fly by. The airport is full of built-in opportunities for fun if you know where to look. Turn the terminal into an adventure with a scavenger hunt. Create a simple list of items like a water fountain, a suitcase with wheels, or a security dog. You can even make up stories about where fellow passengers might be going or what's in their luggage. Window shopping also works wonders. Look for quirky souvenirs. Explore candy aisles or simply walk from gate to gate counting planes and airline logos. Movement helps burn off excess energy before boarding. Many airports have hidden gems like kids' play zones, family rooms, or even interactive art displays. Search online before your trip or ask airport staff on arrival where to find these spots. You can also bring your own activities, airport bingo, quick drawing games, or even a DIY photo challenge can turn a dull wait into a memory maker. If traveling with multiple kids, assign them airport explorer roles. One could be in charge of finding the nearest restroom, another of checking the gate number, and another of spotting airline uniforms. This gives each child a sense of purpose and responsibility. 3. Snack power. Never underestimate the power of a well-timed snack. Choose options that take time to eat and require a little effort, like string cheese, trail mix, or cut fruit. Let your child help choose their travel snacks before the trip. It adds an element of control and excitement. Divide snacks into small containers or resealable bags to give the illusion of choice and variety. Think of it as edible entertainment. You can even make a game of it. Mystery snack bags, where kids have to guess the contents by feel alone. Avoid high sugar treats right before boarding or during long stretches without movement. Instead, opt for protein-rich snacks like cheese cubes, turkey slices, or nut butters, if allowed, to sustain energy. 4. Tech tools when all else fails. Tech is not the enemy, it's a tool. Load your child's device with movies, TV shows, and games that can be accessed offline. Educational apps, digital storybooks, and audiobooks are great for eyes-off, screen-on experiences. A bonus tip? Invest in kid-friendly, volume-limited headphones. These are more comfortable and safer for young ears. Also, consider introducing tech breaks. Set a timer to limit screen time, then transition into a different activity. This not only keeps kids engaged longer, but also prevents overstimulation. And remember, tablets are a part of your entertainment toolkit, not the entire plan. Use them strategically, like when you're in line, during boarding, or at cruising altitude. Stick around, because in just a second, I'll tell you about a game that turns any boring wait into something magical. It's called People Watch Storytime, and it might just become your kid's favorite part of the trip. 5. People Watch Storytime. This game is brilliant in its simplicity. Pick a person at the gate from a respectful distance and imagine their story. Where are they going? Why are they traveling? Is that suitcase full of treasure or socks? Each family member adds a detail, building the story together. Set a time limit or cap it at 3 characters per game. You'll be amazed at how creative and hilarious these tales can become. It's engaging, free, and builds family connection while passing time without screens. Another version of this is Packing Guess. Watch people walking by and guess what might be in their suitcase based on how they're dressed or who they're traveling with. It's silly, fun, and often leads to bursts of laughter. 6. Onboard entertainment. In the air. Once on the plane, variety is your best friend. Kids have short attention spans, especially in new environments. Rotate activities every 30 to 40 minutes to keep interest high. Start with coloring or drawing. Move on to a card game, followed by a snack, then a story. Revisit a favorite toy. Watch a short movie. Repeat. The goal is to stretch out interest while avoiding overstimulation. Let your child peek out the window and count clouds or planes. If they're curious, let them walk to the galley area with permission for a change of scenery. Check the in-flight entertainment system before takeoff to plan which movies or games your child might enjoy. Preset headphones and walk them through how to use it. If you're seated next to a window, take a moment to show your child the world from above. Talk about what you see, how clouds form, or what cities look like from the sky. These small interactions spark curiosity and wonder. 7. Interactive games. You don't need a single device to have fun. Classic games work wonders. I Spy, 20 Questions, Would You Rather, the alphabet game, I'm going on a trip and I'm bringing. These games are lightweight, flexible, and can be played anywhere, anytime. They engage kids without overstimulating them and often create inside jokes that last long after the flight. For older kids, try trivia games, memory challenges, or storytelling contests. Bring a notebook and write down their answers. It becomes a fun keepsake after the trip. 8. Stress-saving tips for parents. Your mindset sets the tone. Try to mirror your child's home routines when possible. Meals, naps, and downtime. It helps create predictability and comfort. Speak positively about the journey. Frame delays or changes as part of the adventure. Your child will take cues from your mood. Bring familiar comfort objects like a favorite toy, blanket, or even a pillow from home. These small things make a huge difference. Also, give yourself grace. Not every moment will be perfect, but with these strategies, most of them can be smooth, connected, and even joyful. Finally, don't be afraid to accept help. If a kind stranger offers to help lift a bag or a flight attendant offers snacks early, say yes. Traveling with kids is a team effort, and sometimes that team includes the kindness of strangers. Traveling with kids doesn't have to mean chaos or constant meltdowns. With some prep, smart packing, and a few creative games, your airport and flight experience can be an exciting extension of your summer vacation. If you found these tips helpful or you have your own go-to hacks, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share the wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe to Airside Tips for more flying tips, family travel hacks, and ways to make your time in the sky feel a little more down to earth. Fly safe, and we'll see you airside.